Hi gangsters, please like and subscribe. For today's video we will unbox our legend god packs that we order. Please share our video to your friends and even to your grandma and even to Donald Trump, so we can be monetized and we can buy more legend Pokemon packs. I promise to give a lot of giveaways to all of you, especially my first supporters. Our goal today is to get expensive Pokemon cards so we can trade it for cash and buy more booster packs. Wish me luck on opening them. Please browse my other videos and like them as well. Break it down, yeah. Don't forget to comment on each video as well. Let's spread love and animosity. God bless America, God bless all nations, and God bless you all. Break it down, let's go.